Okay, so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to find the ellipse with the major axis given and a point on the ellipse. So we're not given the minor axis, we're not given the focal points, we're given the major axis and one point on the actual ellipse itself. Okay, to start off with, we're going to do what we would usually do with concentric circles. We're going to set up our major circle from point C all the way out to point D. Use that as our radius. We're going to draw in that bigger circle, that major circle. So we have the major circle drawn in. What I'm going to do now, we don't really have any information to do with a minor circle. So what we need to do is we need to try and locate the minor circle. Now, if we think back kind of how we draw our concentric circles normally, we'd have our two circles, we divide them into 12 equal parts, and we project a line out from the minor circle and down from the major circle. And when them 2 points intersect, it gives us essentially what's point P. So this time we're going to work a little bit backwards. I'm going to use my point P. I'm going to project a line up until it crosses the major circle. And then where it crosses the major circle, I'm going to connect it back to point C, the center. Let me just put two little arrows there so you can see what's happening. So from point P we project it up until it hits the major circle, and from where it hits the major circle project it all the way back to point C. Once we've got that done, we're going to also project a line from P across horizontally until it crosses that diagonal orange line. So from point P, projecting a line across until it intersects our diagonal line here. From here it's quite simple. Where the two lines intersect is a point on our minor circle. So all I have to do is grab my compass. I'm going to set it from C to that point of intersection, and that's going to be my minor circle. From there we can continue on with dividing it up into 12 equal parts and producing the rest of the ellipse, or you can set up your focal points and Trammell method, whatever way you prefer. I'd suggest going with the concentric circles when we have this much of it done though. Okay, that's all there is to it. So you can give that a try now and see how you get on.